Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm making green chutney or Dhaniya Chutney, one of my favorites. So let's just get started. Let's not waste even 1 second. First for this, what I have is the main ingredient, which is coriander, which is washed and chopped. Okay, so now the coriander is chopped and I'm going to put this in the blender while I get ready the other things. I'm going to now cut tomatoes and put inside precisely 2 tomatoes and 2 tomatoes gone in. Now 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1 and 2 teaspoons of garlic and 1 teaspoon ginger. Then green chili needs to be added. 3 green chilies is what I'm doing. Then for a final ingredient, which is salt to taste. I'm going to add in some water. So once you added the water, then just start the blending process. So guys, this is done. Green chutney is ready. Now I'm just going to put the chutney in this bowl. The main ingredient is left for the end, which is my favorite bit also, lime juice. Do try this at home and you can eat this with, it's the green chutney, it's evergreen. This chutney is literally evergreen, from anything, from sandwiches to with chips to samosas to anything. This chutney is epic. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Desi Bites. I will see you in another episode. Till then, you guys take care and don't forget to try this green chutney at home. See you all later. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making aloo matar. This is an absolutely pure vegetarian recipe. There's no onion and there's no garlic in this as well. So first things first, oil in the pan. So now the oil has heated and I'm going to add some jeera, red chili powder and ginger. I'm just going to shallow fry this for some time. To this, I'm going to add boiled potato. So I'm just going to crush. I'm just going to stir fry the aloo. Stir fry the potato so the masala just coats it nicely. So what we're doing here is we're not really cooking the potato since it's already boiled. We're just browning it a little bit and making sure that the masala has coated it properly so that it's nice and flavorful. It's a very basic and simple and easy plain recipe because most people associate Indian food with a lot of heavy spices and a little difficult to digest, but not if it's made like this. Simple and it's healthy. Now I'm going to add boiled peas to this. So the peas I'm using are actually out of a bag. Fresh peas don't need to be boiled, these ones are boiled. You don't really have to boil the peas. You just have to toss them in. And this is the season for peas, so make the best of it. Now I'm just going to let this brown. That's really good. It's important to taste your food while you make it, yeah? How do you know what is less, what is more, how much salt to add? Most home cooks I know don't even taste their food for salt. Now this is the last leg for this particular recipe. I've increased the heat and I'm now just going to, how we say it, भूनो this masala. बस इसको भूनना है और कुछ भी नहीं. Nothing else. That's it. Char it. Make sure it turns golden brown. So back at home, this is done in a kadai and on a gas. But we are using induction and a non-stick pan. So it's going to take a little more time because once the kadai is hot, it's really easy to fry masalas and potatoes and anything in general. So this crust that is forming is what you need on your potatoes. This brown, golden brown charredness is what you need. And now I'm going to add my final ingredient, which is salt. The potatoes look really good. They are charred beautifully. Now for the final bit, what I'm going to do is, first things, I'm going to slice up a lime. Put my plate here. And last but not the least, garnish it with some fresh coriander. And there you have it, guys. Aloo matar taiyar hai. Guys, I want you to try these recipes, and when you do, put that down in the comment section and tell me how you made it and was it good, did you like it, did your family enjoy it, and stuff like that. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites. I will see you in another episode with another recipe. Till then, take care everyone and be good. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a really fun cocktail called a beer margarita. First, I'm going to add ice to my cocktail shaker. Just stuff it up with ice. Then, what's important in this is beer. See, about half of it, I guess. Then, I'm going to add 30 ml of tequila, lime juice. And to give it a nice citrusy flavor, I'm going to throw in orange slices. I'm going to add a little bit of water to this. Now since there's beer inside it, you just muddle all this together. Be sure that the oranges are crushed properly inside and the flavor comes through. Now I'm going to take a margarita glass, rim the outside with lime and then just rim it with salt. Now I'm going to pour in my beer margarita. Beer margarita is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do try this at home and keep watching Desi Bites for more fun and easy recipes coming your way. Till then, take care and do not forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you all. Bye. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today we are going to be doing a sweet and salted lassi. Which is just the best for summers and every day, less calorie intake. Let's start. So first, what I'm going to do is I have taken 250 grams of curd. Take a couple of ice cubes and just a little bit of water. Since we've already added the ice, we don't really need a lot of water. Now this is 10 grams of brown sugar. We're using brown sugar in the lassi because it's more healthy than normal caster sugar. So all of that. And just a pinch of salt, to taste. I'm going to add 3 pinches. You guys can do whatever suits your palate. Let's get this lid on. Now just pour a little bit of spice. You know, add a little bit of chaat masala on top. So that's the way I like it. So and this is ready. As you see, it only takes 5 minutes once you have all the ingredients. Just the right amount of salt and sugar. So keep watching Desi Bites for more easy recipes coming your way, and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in our next one. Bye. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a really fun cocktail called a vodka coffee cocktail. First, lots of ice. Then I'm going to add 30 ml of vodka, 30 ml of vodka coffee liqueur, and I'm just going to mix both these things together. Once that's done, I have my martini glass ready. First, I'm going to just pour all of this inside. And then I'm going to top it off with a little bit of Coke. There you go. Your vodka coffee cocktail is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care. See you. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today is a really fun episode because I'm going to be making the classic Spanish sangria. So, for the classic Spanish sangria, I'm going to put in oranges sliced, some sliced lime, stressed out about it, 1 sachet or 5 gram of white sugar. Then in this I'm going to add 30 ml of white rum. So I'm making this for 1 glass. Now I will put in some orange juice. So this glass is a 330 ml glass, which is the size of a pint. I'm going to add in half a glass of orange juice. And now I'm going to add in the main ingredient, which is red wine, and fill up this glass. Okay, and now I'm going to muddle and blend this in together. Push the oranges down with the thing so the flavor goes in right there, mixes well with the orange juice. And now I'm going to put this in the fridge to chill for about 2 hours so that the flavors blend in and the fruit absorb the alcohol in the freezer. 2 hours. So now this has been chilling for about 2 hours. I've got my wine glass in and now I'm going to pour the juices. What I'll do is first I'll just take the fruit out and put it in the glass. It's absorbed the alcohol really well. I'm going to pour this in. And your classic Spanish sangria is ready. Cheers, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to Desi Bites. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care and have a great day.